That means if there were no electromagnetic forces, if we touch somebody, we'll pass through them. Can you imagine the situation? Can you just Today we are going to dive deep into a very interesting topic. When two people, two lovers, touch each other bodily, physically, what happens to their skin? What happens to them? And what is the role of physics in that bodily impact? Today we'll talk about it. So sit tight. It's a very interesting topic because the electromagnetic forces actually is the main or the key player here. The electromagnetic forces between skin cells are indeed a fascinating aspect of human interactions. Hello and welcome to Students, a channel for intelligent and curious people like you. Before we proceed, let me tell you one thing. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe. It means a lot to me. And if you have already subscribed, tons of thanks for your support. These forces, primarily arising from the repulsion between electrons in the atoms of our skin, prevent our bodies from passing through each other. This fundamental interaction plays a significant role in shaping our experiences of physical intimacy. Just imagine the situation. Now, how it works. Here is how electromagnetic forces impact physical intimacy. Let me break it down in a few sections. Number one is the tangibility of touch. There are two types of things. One is tangible, which we can feel, sense, smell, hear, etc., see, etc. And intangible, that we only feel. Okay, we cannot touch it, we cannot see it, we cannot hear any sound from any source, kind of things. The tangibility of touch. When you touch someone, that is a tangible thing, isn't it? The resistance we feel when you touch someone, there is a resistance. The resistance we feel when touching another person is a direct result of these electromagnetic forces. This resistance creates a sense of tangibility, making touch a tangible and meaningful experience. It allows us to perceive the physical presence of another person, fostering connection and intimacy at the same time. Sensory experience. Number two, the interplay between our skin and another person's skin, mediated by these forces, gives rise to a complex sensory experiences. We can feel pressure, temperature, and texture, all of which contribute to our overall perception of touch. This sensory richness enhances the emotional and physical experience of intimacy. Number three is emotional connection. The physical sensation of touch, enabled by electromagnetic forces, is deeply intertwined with our emotional experiences. Touch can evoke feelings of comfort, love, and security. It can also stimulate the release of oxytocin, a hormone associated with bonding and attachment. In this way, electromagnetic forces indirectly contribute to the emotional dimension of physical intimacy. Number four, and the final one, and which is very important one also, communication and expression. Touch is a powerful form of non-verbal communication. It allows us to express emotions, intentions, and affection without words. The nuances of touch, such as pressure, duration, and location where we touch, can convey subtle messages. Electromagnetic forces, by enabling the physical sensation of touch, facilitate this form of communication and expression. Now look, while we may not consciously perceive the electromagnetic forces at play during physical intimacy, of course, their influence is undeniable. Why? because they shape our sensory experiences, emotional responses, and communication with others, making them an integral part of human experience of touch and connection. I hope it makes sense, and it also tells us the test and anatomy and physiology and elevating how to elevate intimacy, strategies for enhancing your life's better moments, the comfort zone, the discomfort zone, etc., etc. Many things involved in it, and behind everything there is electromagnetic force. That's it today from me. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, stay safe, and